Welcome to your 20-minute push day workout. My name is Manny, and I will be your fitness instructor for today. We will be hitting chest, shoulders, and triceps. Each exercise will be done with a total of 3 sets with 15 to 25 reps in every set. Once one set is completed, you are going to rest for a total of 60 seconds before moving on to the next set. We are starting today's push day workout with a loaded plate incline chest press. We are doing this to hit the upper chest and activate the shoulders and the triceps. Make sure you pick a weight that is challenging but light enough so that you are able to complete the full 15 to 25 reps with good form. After the incline chest press, we are moving into the pec deck. The pec deck is another great exercise to hit the chest because it's easy to do and changing the weight is very simple. One of the most important factors to be aware of when it comes to muscle growth is the stretch and the contraction of that specific muscle being used. You're going to be mindful throughout the entire movement of how it feels to use that specific muscle group. And that is why every rep counts.
Just cruising. My hair, hot summer air. Wind in my hair, hot summer air.
After doing your 3 sets of the pec deck, we are moving into the shoulders with the seated dumbbell Arnold press. It is important to note that although we are seated, we still must engage our core in order to maintain good and proper form. Good form throughout every movement is crucial because it prevents injury and ensures proper muscle growth. We are going to be ending today's push day workout by hitting the triceps with a cable tricep pushdown. This exercise is a simple yet effective exercise when it comes to engaging those triceps. The majority of push day exercises already have the triceps engaged, but adding an exercise that isolates the triceps is a good way of putting the icing on the cake when it comes to tricep muscle growth. And that concludes our workout for today. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more guided workouts like this one. And as always, stay tuned and thank you for watching.
Cruising, just cruising.